What's up, guys? It's Vincent, and I want to do a trade recap for y'all. Swing trade I took on CRWV, ticker symbol CRWV. I got over 100% on my call options and about a 10% move on shares. I want to explain the setup, why I went long, and the results. So I tweeted this Thursday afternoon, 15 minutes before close. CoreWeave got 55 million shares traded that day versus 21.5 million. Now, if we do that math, that's about 2.5 to 3x the normal volume. Why? Because it had a 4% move to the upside that day that Meta committed to a $21 billion contract through 2032. Now, it's no coincidence at all that this happened over a daily downtrend break. We got a bottom wick candle off this daily ADMA to confirm this uptrend, and we got huge volume. So we're checking off a lot of criteria to go ahead and swing long. I entered the $100 calls right before close when I tweeted that post. I also swung shares. Funny enough, the next day, Anthropic got bullish news, or CoreWeave got bullish news, inking Anthropic to a long-term deal. And again, a huge amount of volume this day. I think this was closer to 70 million, and we got about 11% move to the upside, as high as about 12 or 13%, with making highs at 105. I was targeting $100 as my psych level. That's where I scaled a majority of my position and was able to get a great return. On my calls, I got 60 to 100%, 60% on my initial position and 100% on my runners. And this is how I was able to swing trade. There was a good volume setup. Here are my results. I had the shares. I sold these shares at about 102, sold these calls at about 100 on the underlying stock. And yeah, this is one of these trades where you see big volume, you see the breakout. We know this is a high volatility name. This is a growth stock, so this is one of these stocks where it can go up or down 10% in a day. But if you catch it with the good volume, pattern recognition, the daily downtrend break, the holding of the ADMA, and the bullish news to confirm, that makes sense for a good long swing trade. I tweeted this, but this quote, the volume precedes the news, right? They load it. And then the news the next day confirms the volume. We see it even move higher, and those shorts get squeezed, longs get rewarded. So if you guys enjoyed this trade recap, all I ask that you just drop me a like, drop me a follow, turn on my notifications, and if you guys want to trade on public, you can hit the sign up link with my link below, and I can get you access to the new AI agentic tool. That's where I swung my call options on. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one.